This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Suzie Soave. Blue Ridge Electric Bikes, business only for sale, Pedego Electric Bike dealer and Cannondale Bike Sales, a wealth of bike accessories and apparel, and currently the premier full-service bike repair shop in the area. Bike sales, rentals, and guided tours are all part of what this thriving business has to offer. Located on East Main Street in a new building with 30 spots of paved parking at the end of the historic shopping district of Blue Ridge. Transportation/delivery van included. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzie Soave at 706-455-1195.